Here's how you can replace the banner in your retractor. Step 1. Locate the tension pin inside the base unit's end caps. Set it aside, but within reach. An installed graphic will only be drawn back into the base unit when the pin is not inserted. Step 2. Keep the base unit still and gently pull the previously installed graphic out with its snap rail. Make sure to pull it out enough to expose the leader, where the graphic is attached. Once it's fully extended, keep it tight and insert the tension pin into the correct hole. A 2-inch finishing nail can usually substitute for the pin. Only once the tension is gone, slowly release your hold on the graphic. Step 3. Use strong tape to secure the graphic to the leader. In this video, we're using the red tape to demonstrate where you should place it. Step 4. Remove both end caps from the original graphic snap rail and pry it open. Take note of where the graphic is inserted and replace it with the replacement graphic. Snap the rail shut and re-add its end caps. Step 5. Get a very firm grip on the replacement graphic and carefully pull out the tension pin. Once tension returns, slowly allow the graphic to retract into the base unit, guiding it to stay straight and even. Step 6. Repeat steps 1 through 5 for any other replacement graphics, and then re-add the base unit's end caps. Store the tension pin where they were originally attached to the base unit. Thanks for joining this tutorial on how to replace the banner in your retractor.